यहाँ लेके आए हैं, क्लास 9 और क्लास 10 दोनों के लिए really important है. And so welcome to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe. So यहाँ पे first question जो है simplification के लिए है. So now just dot means product, है ना? So now see how to solve this thing. 3 to the power again cube root of 2. Okay na? So 2 to the power 1 by 3. That means that is coming. Okay na? And now again 2 to the power 1 by 4 is coming. Okay na? And then 32 whole to the power 1 by 12 is coming. Okay na? So just like that, 2 to the power 1 by 3 is just write that. No, 2 to the power 1 by 4. You cannot do anything. 32 is 2 to the power 5. Yes or no? 2 to the power 5 divided by 12. Okay na? That means because see 5 into 1 by 12. Okay na? That means 5 by 12. It will come. Okay? So now you know the base, when the base is similar, power will be added. Okay na? So 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Now you have to solve this thing. Now see 2 to the power, now 3 4 12. What is the LCM? That is 12, I think. Na? Yes. So 3 4 say 12, 4. So now 4 3 say obviously, and 12 1 say, so 5. So now 2 to the power, and in the denominator side that is 12, and the numerator 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12 also. So 12 12 getting cancelled out. So that means 2 to the power 1. That means 2 is the final answer. Now after coming to the next question, 6 to the power 6 root of 6, 3 root of 7, 4 root of 8. That means 6 root of 6. That means 6 to the power 1 by 6. Yes or no? Just like that, 3 root of 7. That means equal to 7 to the power 1 by 3. And 4 root of 8. That means 8 to the power 1 by 4. Now you have to just follow the tree. Okay na? 1 by 6, comma 1 by 3, comma 1 by 4. Now you have to take only these three. Okay na? 6 3 4, and then LCM. You have to collect the LCM of that. Okay na? 3 4 6. Just do the LCM now. 2 3 2 z 2 3 z. Now 3 1 z 2 z 1. So 2 2 z 4, 4 3 z 12. That means now see 6 to the power 1 by 6 into 12. You have to just follow the trick, and then you will quickly solve it. Okay na? 7 to the power 1 by 3 into 12. Just I am multiplying the LCM with the powers. Okay na? 8 to the power 1 by 4 into 12. Now solve it. 6 to the power 6 2 is 12. Okay na? 6 to the power 2, that means 36. Yes or no? Now 3 4 is 12. That means 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 4 means 49 into 49. Yes or no? You don't have to solve it. Okay na? You don't have to solve it. Now 4 3 is 12. That means 8 to the power 3. 8 to the power 3, how much is that? I think 64 into 8, right? To the power 3, something will be there. Now you have to just think that how much will be that. 49 into 49, if you do approximation of it, 50 into 50, how much is that? 2500, right? And now 64 into 8, how much will be that? Just I have to multiply it. Just wait. 2 3 8 6 7 48 plus 3 51. Okay, 512 whole to the power 3. That means a very big number. And a 49 into 49 is a large number, but less than 8 to the power 3. And 36 is very less than. So write in ascending order. That means obviously 36 will be come first. Okay, now 36 is, that means 6 root of 6 is will be less than. And 7 to the power 4, that means cube root of 7, right? 3 root 7. And now the largest number will be this one, 8 to the power 1 by 4. That means 4 cube root of, 4 root of 8. So this will be your answer in the ascending order. You got it? I did not solve, I did not calculate that much. Okay, na? I just assume that how much will be that. 64 into 8, that will be 512. And 512, if you are doing 512 into 512 into 512, that will be a tremendously large number. Okay, na? That will be the largest. So by this way, you have to solve these two type of questions. Okay, thank you. I am coming to the next video. Hare Krishna.